Rabi and Kharif crops. Do you know that different crops require different climatic conditions, temperature, and photoperiods for their growth and completion of their life cycle? We have already studied that growth of plants and flowering are dependent on sunlight. There are some crops which are grown in rainy season called the Kharif season from the month of June to October. Paddy, soybean, pigeon pea, maize, cotton, green gram and black gram are Kharif crops. Some of the crops are grown in the winter season called the Rabi season from November to April. Wheat, gram, peas, mustard, linseed are Rabi crops. In India, there has been a 4 times increase in the production of food grains from 1960 to 2004, with only 25% increase in the cultivable land area. Farming practices can be divided into 3 stages. The first is the choice of seeds for planting. The second is the nurturing of the crop plants. The third is the protection of the growing and harvested crops from loss. Thus, the major groups of activities for improving crop yields can be classified as crop variety improvement, crop production improvement, crop protection management.